afternoon from my side. I am Dr. Chandan Chowdi, the host for today's session. So I'll be talking about my experience of writing research paper. Plus, of course, I'll be providing some algorithm which I have adopted, and it has yielded me some sort of success in terms of cracking better journals like Scoopers and others. So I'm sure like most of you carry two important feelings. One is the fear, the other thing is an anxiety, right? You have that excitement to write the papers. I also thank my colleagues, ex-colleagues who have joined with me. We were there together and for long, and we have parted away because of our own reasons. I welcome you for this session. Sorry for the technical glitches that are happening. These techniques, that is what we say like SMART, SMART, nothing but whenever you write a research paper, it has to be specific and it should be measurable, attainable or achievable, relevant as well as time bound. Now, when you look at any papers, you will always find that certain titles of the research paper are not very specific. If you don't get into specifics, okay, it becomes very difficult for you to converge. Now, when I say specific, I have put one small example of what effect does the social media have on people's mind. Now, look at this particular an abbreviation about the SMART, that is a good research paper should follow this protocol of becoming SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Why I am sharing this is because when we have a topic, something that you have thought of studying, you will always come across aspects such as like whether it is very much generalized. Now, if something is general, then you will always find that you are not able to converge, because when we say research, it basically begins with some sort of time bound. Say, for example, you want to start a research paper. A good research paper will definitely take at least 6 to 7 weeks of your time. Of course, you have to keep aside some time for data collections and all. But if you don't have this deadline, what we say the time frame, then maybe like you are not able to accomplish the task. However, if the scope of the research is on the higher side, like if you are doing all India level and all, you will definitely end up taking a lot of time, and it may run to 1 year or 1.5 years. It all depends on whether you are able to get the data or not. So coming to the discussion, what we were having in terms of this specifics. So I feel like if you just look at the second statement that is there, what effect does the daily use of Twitter have on attention span of under 16? Now look at this particular statement where you feel that it is very much focused, because you are able to identify which media you would like to consider for the study, as well as you are also talking about the attention span rather than just coming out with a general topic wherein you say like what is the effect of social media on people's mind. In fact, I was just going through one of the research studies. They say like an American teenager spends not less than 9 hours in front of the social media, and in that Snapchat and Instagrams are very deadly, and they actually have an effect on the human mind, and that is why we need to be very cautious about it. That is why we classify them as dangerous. Just like what we used to have a habit like cigarette, on the same grounds you will also see that these are also very much habitual and needs to be avoided. And there is a concept in that wherein we say like FOMO, that is fear of missing out. And because of aspect, because of these aspects, you will always find that they don't want to miss, and they end up spending a lot of time. So, yeah.
Sorry to intervene. Please, all of you, unmute yourself. Please, everyone, please mute yourself.
Yeah, okay. So that really takes away our attention. So if we are getting into some sort of a skill, what we call it as a research, and unless and until we are not focused about it, maybe we are going to lose the track. So please request the participant to mute your speaker so that you can enjoy the show, whatever is going on. So let's start with this. Just like what we have, Kaun Banega Karodpati, let's start with Kaun Banega Research Pati. Okay, so let's see at the end of this session, am I able to motivate people in terms of writing your papers? And I have already said that normally we always have these two kind of a feeling. There are so many people who have not opened their account in terms of writing the paper, and some have already started, but definitely they have high aims to be achieved. They want to reach greater journals, so for that they are making some efforts. And also let's see like how this particular presentation is going to be useful. So I'll quickly move on to the next one.
It will log out in 7 minutes. I will to log on with same link afterwards.
Okay, so the first and foremost is why to write research papers. Now, this is a skill that is worth learning. You can see there. There are going to be a lot of brownie points. The moment I say brownie points, maybe we all understand, those who are in academic lines, there is a compulsion from the management or from the university to produce papers, irrespective of whatever designation you are carrying. Plus, of course, now since research is being recognized, most of the institutes have started paying some cash money for paper publication. So this also tells us that we need to accomplish this so that we are able to get additional cash. Of course, you will have recognition till you die, because once the paper is registered, once the yeah, Lakshmi BG, yeah, please.
We have control. We can do that.
Satnarayan, I feel that someone should take care of that. I should go on muting everybody. I think we shouldn't have gone for this.
Okay. Oh, nobody can do that.
So I was mentioning about the brownie points. There has to be some sort of attraction for all of us to accept these things, to accept the format of writing the papers. If you don't write it, maybe somewhere the consequences are going to be severe. In fact, there is even a what we say a rule from the institute saying that you are teaching, the other part of teaching, there are two things that needs to be looked upon. One is the teaching part, the other part is the research part, and these are the two faces of the same coin. Anybody who has opted for research writing, definitely we expect them to produce papers. Okay, so the first point is brownie points. The second part is about infecting the minds of the readers. I mean, this is again something very good. People who have pen in their hand, they can do wonders. In fact, I was going through one of the articles which was recently published. There was a study which was conducted by this Harvard, wherein they were claiming the COVID-19 virus, what we are familiar now, started spreading in the month of August. And as per the official record, it is December from China, but they say like, no, we have seen activities happening from August, and the virus started spreading in the month of August. However, China have said that it is very ridiculous and they don't agree on that point. So these are certain things. When somebody makes a study, you'll be seeing like in the next slide, how this Canadian university was able to do several good things which have actually improved the quality of life. So in that way, you can see that your ideas, whatever you write, whatever research output you are able to produce, definitely will have an impact on the minds of the readers. Now we can also see that the research actually helps in improving quality of life. So there are so many cases wherein can we use this tobacco for treating cancer. So like that, research is being conducted by the university, and these research really have some practical implications. when we say, of course, you want to share your knowledge with other researchers, that is why you are also producing research. This you can see, like just like Amazon, where they say like people who have bought this item, they recommend for other items, complementary items that can be bought. On the same grounds, you can see here, when we produce papers and all, if you go to Sage peer review and all, similar articles are being displayed. So that is again a very good thing that needs to be looked upon when we are talking about sharing our knowledge. So I have written a paper on customer loyalty. So similar to my paper, what is the contribution of others, and they have also put across their views and all. And finally, we also say that your research should fit in the current context, and that is what you are trying to say, because whatever studies you are making, there has to be a, in the current context, it should really fit. Recently, I took a viva for one of the PhD student in Jain, and he actually studied on this vacuum evaporated jaggery. And now you have seen this jaggery coming in powder form, which will cost almost double the price. If you say like the traditional jaggery, whatever is available, if it is 70 rupees, this will be around 140 or 150 rupees. So like that, when you just look at these prices, it really says that now what we say, organic evaporated jaggery, is it the right thing in the current market context? Yes. If it does it fit properly in the current context, yes, we require these kind of products, because everybody has become very much health conscious, and a lot of money actually goes. We are moving away from sugar. We want to actually adopt jaggery because it is very much useful for us, and it is and there are going to be a lot of health benefits. In fact, they claim that there is 50 times more you will be getting minerals if you go for this vacuum evaporated jaggery, because whatever jaggery is available in the market, you find that it has not followed strict processes. The steps have not been followed completely. We just take it without understanding these aspects. However, when all the filters are put in place, and definitely you'll get a product which is very high in antioxidants. So that is a purpose wherein your work should be contemporary. It should actually fit in the right context, and if you are able to do it, maybe there are going to be good things. Okay. So